This is a very important topic. Finding the equation of a line. We do this in pre-calculus. We do it in first semester calculus, second semester calculus, third semester calculus, all in different ways, but it's all about finding the equation of a line and then using it for different things. So the first thing to do is find the slope. That was a very curvy M. Okay, find the slope. So you subtract the two y values, you subtract the two x values, and then divide. And when you're subtracting, the order doesn't matter as long as you're consistent. So I'm going to go from the one on the right to the one on the left. That's the two y values. So that's an 8 minus 7. And then to be consistent, I need to start on the right and then go to the left again. And then 2 minus a negative 3. So on the top, that's just going to be a 1. And on the bottom, two negatives will make a positive. So that is a 5. So the slope is 1 over 5, which means that it's going up because it's a positive slope. But 1 over 5 is a pretty small number. So it's going up, but very slowly. The next thing to do is find the equation of the actual line, and then finally check our answer. So to find the equation of the line, you can use the point slope formula, which goes y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1. And this is going to be the x values, so it's saying that x1 is equal to negative 3 and y1 is equal to 7. So those are the numbers we'll plug in, as well as we already have that the slope equals 1/5. So this is going to be y minus the y1 is 7, and then 1/5 parentheses x minus, and then x1 is a negative 3. And then we just need to simplify this answer. One thing I could do is the two negatives will make a positive. And next, I would distribute the 1/5. So that means there's going to be 1/5 x plus 3 times 1/5 will be 3/5. And on the left side, there's still y minus 7. Then I just need to solve for y, so add 7 to both sides. These will cancel, and I get y equals 1/5 x, and then I need a common denominator. So I could say for the 7, multiply the bottom by 5 and the top by 5. So then this part will be 35 plus 3 is 38. So it's plus 38 over 5. And then I just want to check that answer, so move over to the graphing calculator and graph this real quick and make sure that it actually goes through these 2 points, negative 3, 7 and 2, 8. So go to y equals, and it was a 1/5 x and then plus 38 divided by 5. And then take a look at that graph. So you can see it is going up, but not very quickly. So the slope is a 1/5, which means it goes up. And then to see if it actually worked, I can first of all get a point on the graph and then put x equals negative 3, and then it should say y equals 7, so that one works, yes. And then the other one is supposed to be when x is a 2, then the y is supposed to be an 8, and that one is also correct. So it looks like we got it right. Just need to go back and make sure I circle my answer. And then even. Put a little happy face so we got it right.